Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this Halloween makeup look for Cruella De Vil. And if you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Okay, let's do it. So first I'm gonna apply my primer. This one is from Benefit. This is the professional one. And I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone. As my foundation, I'm gonna use today the Too Faced foundation. This is the Born This Way. And I'm gonna use a brush for it. Now let's add our foundation. I'm gonna use the Chanel Poudre Universelle Libre. Now I do my eyebrows. This is the Chanel eyebrow pencil in the shade Brun Naturel. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use the highbrow from Benefit and apply it underneath my eyebrow. And just gonna blend it a bit. So for today's video I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, and I am going to go inside this shade right here, and with a blending brush I'm gonna apply the color above my crease. And I'm gonna blend it up really high. Now with a clean brush I'm gonna blend the edges. Now I'm gonna take a Clown White and my MAC Fix Plus spray. Gonna do my cut crease. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette and I'm gonna go inside the shade Lin and set my white. So now with a black eyeliner, I'm gonna draw a line right here where I cut the crease. And on top of this black eyeliner, I'm gonna just draw here a small white line. Alright, so now the white line is also done. Now I'm gonna go back to the Morphe Jeffree Star palette and I'm gonna grab a black shade, just a black eyeshadow, this one called Fast Lane, and a small brush, and then I'm gonna apply this shade into my inner crease and blend it slightly out, but I'm only gonna apply it on 1/3 of my eye. Then in 1/2 of my eye, I'm gonna apply a black eyeliner, and on the other half, I'm gonna apply white eyeliner. So now let's do the black eyeliner first. And I'm drawing a pretty thick line. Alrighty. Now let's do the other eye too. Now let's grab a white eyeliner. I'm gonna use the NYX eyeliner in white. Okay, now with the black eyeliner, I'm gonna outline my eyeliner. Alright, now inside our black eyeliner, let's draw white dots. And inside the white eyeliner, I'm gonna draw with black. And now I'm gonna take a black eye pencil and I just gonna apply it on my waterline. Now with the same red, I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna apply mascara too. Okay, I did my eyelashes and I applied the rest of my face. Now let's move on to the lips. I'm just gonna use a white clown paint. Alright, and now I'm gonna draw black dots for Dalmatians. Then I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty setting spray. And that's it, guys. This is my Cruella De Vil makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below which one you want to see next. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.